Not sure if you can hear that, but that is just the idle of this incredibly old hard drive. Bring some light over. Too much light. There we go. I don't know if you can read that. It's a 2 gig drive, really, really damn old. And I just thought it was funny that it was making such horrid loud sound just for 2 gigs. And here's what it sounds like when you move stuff from it. Oh yeah. That is something right there. This drive is working hard to move 219 megabytes of stuff off of it at 5,500 less than a megasecond. It's actually kind of sad. It's amazing how far we've come, I guess. I don't know, I just thought this was funny. Alright. Oh god. I feel like it's gonna blow up.